Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any website, if you click the contact form, how you can reaching for your particular mobile number into the call option. Suppose I'm clicking here, this call option will be received by your particular mobile user purpose. So this is called simple syntax you can use, that is called a space target is equal underscore blank. So what are the phone number you can using? This is you can use the particular code. Copy the syntax and where our hosting will be using here, go to file manager. I'm going to the particular public underscore HTML, and where I can upload the code is that you can use the particular code and click for your contact us form, edit, and here where we can add the particular number. See here. Suppose if I'm not using this option, for example, so just I'm adding phone number, enough. See this. If I'm refresh, nothing call button will be working. So if I'm adding using will be call button. Simple. So this will be a space target. This is nothing but anchor text. In SEO on page, we always discuss about the anchor text. Nothing but if anybody click here in a particular link, they go to your particular phone number option. This will be working for only for mobile device. So this is a directory will be call option will be working on your particular mobile user purpose. So this is option we can utilize to activate call button your particular contact form option. Without any other tools, we can add your call button on your particular website. The original option name is called simple syntax. Note on it, the syntax. You can pause the video and write down the syntax. Only changing will be this phone number only. What are the phone number you have? You can change the particular phone number. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.